Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a different kind of video for you. It's going to be a video about how I wear my hair extensions. I've worn them a couple times in videos, but that was at least a year ago and I haven't worn them for quite a while just because I wasn't feeling it. I don't know, I didn't have the effort or the energy, I guess, time, whatever, but so yeah, I have my hair extensions here. They are a different colour to what my hair is now, quite drastically so, because I got them when my hair had been dyed purple and red, and I hadn't dyed it for a while, so it was washing out to be a ginger light brown colour, and every time I would go in the sun my actual hair would go like copper, bronze, and I hated it. So that's when I started dyeing it brown. But I have a really weird fancy coat hanger thing that I got from my nan to hang these up on, and as you can see they are quite frizzy and just poofy because I have just brushed them through, and so the last time I wore them I had my hair like crimpy. Is that the right word? Crimply? but today I will be curling it just because that makes it easier to blend, and hopefully it won't be too obvious with the dark brown and the light brown contrast. So I'm gonna get right to it. You're gonna want to brush your hair out as well, so make sure that there's no tangles in there. You'll want like a clip or a scrunchie or something just to hold the rest of your hair up when you separate it. It's going to be really hard to try and show you how I do this because I'm not going to be able to see myself backwards, but I think what I'll do is I'll do it and then I'll turn around and show you what it looks like. I think that's the best way to do it. But basically you're going to need to take a section of hair, probably about here to probably about midway by your ears, which is the section closest to the nape of the neck. The extensions I got were from AliExpress. They cost me £5, but they are a mixture of synthetic and real human hair extensions, so it's kind of like 50-50, and they take a lot of care, which can be a pain in the bum because they get tangled really easily. But the section you should have, forgive me if it is not straight because I can't actually see from behind, but this is probably about the first section size that you want. I twist up and bobby pin in place just so that the little pieces aren't kind of visible on the underneath. I'm just taking these black bobby pins to pin it up. It should give you something like that. So I'm going to take my first piece, which is a 3-clip piece. I have a lot of pieces that I add in, but that's just because I want kind of a lot of, not volume, but thickness. I'm hoping that it will blend somewhat better than I'm kind of thinking. But another tip and trick for clip-in extensions, instead of back combing, which will like ruin your hair, you just want to swirl the clips around until they can kind of clip in place in your hair without slipping down. The next section is going to be a 4-piece, and you want to put this one probably about halfway through your hair, so around here. This time I'm not going to clip up my hair because it should be hidden between the bottom layer of the extensions and the next ones that I put on top of it. So yeah, the next section is around here. I'm gonna clip it up again, out of the way. I forget how long these extensions actually are in like inches or whatever they're measured in. Yeah, they are pretty long though, they're like belly button length. Section my hair off again and use the second 3-piece, and this time I'm going to want to go to about kind of just under the crown section. Now because you only had a 3-piece going around this bit, what you want to do is bring all of your hair around to the sides. So there are 3 2-piece clips. One of them is smaller than the other and I will explain why in a minute, but you need the slightly wider, bigger sections, the 2 pieces, and these join up to the 3rd piece that you put in and come around to the front. My camera cut out yet again. It should come to around here, so just around your temple area. Coming back to the 2-piece set, which is smaller than the other 2 that we've just put in. The reason for that is because it goes right in the crown of your head, because it's thinner and smaller and it's supposed to just flow down, kind of like a protective layer, I guess. And that's not the right word, but concealing kind of thing, blending, whatever the word is you want to use. So this is pretty much where this 2-piece sits. So I'm going to do that now. And now what you want to do is take the 1-piece clips, and these go on the sides wherever you feel you need them. So if you're doing a centre part, which is what I'm going to do, you're going to put 1 each side. The curling wand I'm going to be using today is just a Phil Smith Be Gorgeous. It's kind of a tapered wand, I guess. It goes bigger to smaller. I'm going to do like loose curls, so I'm just going to take a section about yay big, and I always curl away from the face. Once you feel the heat coming through, I just burnt myself with the curling wand. No big deal, stings a little, but this is kind of the result from curling. I have to admit, with synthetic hair, it is easier to do like overnight heatless newspaper curls or pin curls, just because it holds it better. But when you haven't got time in the evening or you can't be bothered, then this is your best option, but you just have to be really careful and slow. I might invest in some hair extensions that are fully made out of human hair, if I can find them cheap enough, just because it would be a lot easier than synthetic. Why isn't that coming off? There. Damn it. So this is this side done with the heat for now. I have just got to do the other side, and then I will get on to blending the actual hair together. Right, well, I've curled my whole head. Definitely worked a lot better when my hair matched the colour that they are. As for it blending in, it's not doing what it used to do. Can hair extensions expire? Can they go out of date? Like, I don't get it. I really don't get it. They used to be so good. I think if it wasn't for the fact that they were a completely different colour and were a lot lighter, without like a gradient colour, then I could probably get away with it, but as of right now, it's not working too brilliantly in my favour. The purple ones, my mum's old ones, probably would have been better because at least they're darker. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Have these short pieces from my actual hair that aren't even the same length as the rest of my hair. I don't know why. Yeah, definitely not working in my favour anymore. This is kind of what the bottom looks like from the front, so you can definitely tell that it's not the right colour whatsoever. So that was pretty much a big fail. I tried. Anyways, that was a big fail, but thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment something down below, share it, and I will see you in my next video. If you like music, then listen to me as I sing this stupid song for you.